That's a really good one, Moby. It's gonna take a long time to make 1,000 paper cranes to make our wish come true. How many paper cranes have we made so far? We should add our cranes together and see. But what's the best way to add? Well, when you add, you join groups together to find the total. Let's see. We have 4 blue cranes and 3 red cranes. A tally chart could help add them together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cranes in all. Hey, another way to add is to write a number sentence. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Right, the total can be called the sum. And you can also write the number sentence up and down instead of across. I guess there's lots of good ways to add. Well, another way to add is to count on. How do you count on to add? When you count on, you start with the bigger number and then add the smaller number. Let's find out how many pink and violet cranes we have in all. Good idea, Moby. We can use a number line to help us count on. We have 5 pink cranes, so we can start with 5 on the number line. And we have 3 violet cranes, so we can move ahead 3 spots on the number line to find the total. There are 8 cranes in all. Counting on could get tough if we added 2 large numbers. How do you add 10? Wow, there are a lot of orange and turquoise cranes here. You counted 8 orange cranes and 10 turquoise cranes. It would take a while to count on to find the sum. But if we add 10, it'll be a lot faster. We can start with 8 and add on 10 to make 18. All you have to do is add 1 to the tens place. Now we can start with 8 and add on 2 tens. Right, Moby, there is a pattern. When you add tens to a number, the tens place changes, but the ones place stays the same. How can you use doubles to add? I guess knowing your doubles can make adding faster. If I have 8 yellow cranes and 8 magenta cranes, I know there's 16 cranes in all. Because I know 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. It's a double. So now we have 8 yellow cranes and 7 magenta cranes. We can still use doubles to figure out the sum. I know that 7 is 1 less than 8, so the sum must be 1 less than 16. 8 plus 7 equals 15. The sum is 1 less than the double. Well, since 9 is 1 more than 8, the sum must be 1 more than 16. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Are you ready for our trip to the beach? I'm gonna find seashells to add to my collection. So far, I have 2 pink shells and 2 white shells. Let's see. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. I have 4 shells in my collection. That's a doubles fact. What is a doubles fact? A doubles fact is a number sentence where 2 of the same numbers are added together. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. In each doubles fact, the add-ends repeat. Cool! I found some shells too. I found 4 shells. You also found 4 shells. How many do we have together? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. We've collected 8 shells so far. You found another shell? So did I. We've each found 5 shells so far. Now how many do we have? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. I've got another one too. So now we've each found 6 shells so far. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. It's really useful to know doubles by heart. How can you use doubles to help you add? Once you know your doubles, you can solve other number sentences quickly. Well, I found 4 large shells and 5 small shells. We can add them to find out how many we have together. I know that 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. But I have one more shell here. So I can add one more to the sum. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Let's see. You found 7 dark shells and 6 light shells. We can add 7 plus 6 to find the total. Well, I know that 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. But I have one more shell to add, so I should add 1 to the sum. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. You can also use doubles in a different way. There are 9 smooth shells and 8 bumpy shells. How many do we have together? I know that 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. But I have 8 bumpy shells, not 9. That's 1 less. So I should subtract 1 from the sum. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. How can you use doubles to help you subtract? You have 10 shells, but 5 of them wash away. How many do you have left? You can write a number sentence to show what happened. Then you can use a number triangle to help you solve. I know that 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 because it's a doubles fact. That means 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So there are 5 shells left.